This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening spirit boosters, this is one of my favorite succulents. I repotted it and it's getting much bigger. I love it. Just sharing. And I also want to share with you guys another plant. Hold on. It's beautiful. Gardening spirit boosters, this is an update on the burrows tail. It's gotten a little bigger, but believe me, you cannot handle this plant carelessly, because it will drop its little green bananas. I already knocked a few of them off, as you may or may not can tell, but yep, this plant is so dang delicate. It's terrible. Not terrible, but hey. So these are two of the succulents type plants that I really love. It is so beautiful. That one in the back that looks like a palm tree. Oh, I love it. You can shape it like a bonsai when it grows bigger, and shape it to give it a decorative, detailed look, the way you would remove some of the leaves or plant it certain stalks of it in different areas. Beautiful. Hope you guys are enjoying this, because I love my succulents, I love my house plants, I love my outdoor plants. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying my little gardening activities and projects and experiments, propagations, repotting, and especially experiences working with these plants. Well, if you just want to figure it out for yourself instead of just reading, because reading other people's information is okay too, but learning by accident or on your own is a beautiful thing. And I want to just thank you guys for keep coming back. Please remember to subscribe and help do the work by going back and forth to each other's channel, because I do enjoy your gardening videos. I keep saying that word, but some you guys have some of the most beautiful, amazing plants and gardens, and I love it. Thank you guys for all your support and your time. Fabulousness. Plants are fabulous. Thanks for your time and support.